Not being too tall is a major concern for many adults. Height depends more on genetics, but a new study finds that a proper diet, including adequate nutrients and protein, and our environment also play an important role. So, is it true that there is any food which helps to grow tall or maintain height? We are going to discuss about these foods in this video. Beans are incredibly nutritious and an especially good source of protein. Protein has been shown to increase levels of insulin like growth factor 1, an important hormone that regulates growth in children. Beans are also high in iron and B vitamins, which can help protect against anemia, a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells in the body. Furthermore, beans are rich in several other nutrients such as fiber, copper, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Rich in protein, along with a range of other essential nutrients, chicken can be an excellent addition to a healthy diet. It's particularly high in vitamin B12, a water soluble vitamin that's crucial when it comes to growing taller and maintaining your height. It's also loaded with taurine, an amino acid that regulates bone formation and growth. What's more, chicken is loaded with protein containing around 20 grams in 3 ounce. Although the precise nutritional profile can vary a bit based on the cut and cooking method. Chicken is also a good source of selenium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. Almonds are jam packed with many of vitamins and minerals necessary for growing taller. Besides bringing a host of healthy fats to the table, they are high in fiber, magnesium, and manganese. Plus, almonds are rich in vitamin E, a fat soluble vitamin that doubles as an antioxidant. A deficiency in this important vitamin can come with serious side effects, including stunted growth in children. Almonds may also help foster bone health. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, arugula, and cabbage are superstars when it comes to nutrition. While the exact amount of nutrients fluctuates between different types, leafy greens generally offer a concentrated amount of vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. There are also are rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that can increase bone density to support enhanced growth and help maintain your height. Yogurt is a great source of several key nutrients that are important for growth, including protein. In fact, such 7 ounce of green yogurt pack in nearly 20 grams of protein. Certain types of also contain probiotics, which are type of beneficial bacteria that can help support gut health. In addition to improving immune function and decreasing inflammation, some research shows that probiotics can help increase growth in children. Yogurt is likewise an excellent source of several nutrients involved in bone metabolism, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Besides being vibrant and versatile, sweet potatoes are incredibly healthy. They are especially rich in vitamin A, which can improve bone health and help you grow taller or maintain your height. They also contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can promote digestive health and foster the growth of good gut bacteria. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome can also boost nutrient absorption to ensure that you are getting the vitamins and minerals you need for growth and development. Plus, sweet potatoes are packed with other important nutrients including vitamin C, manganese, vitamin B6, and potassium. Eggs are truly a powerhouse of nutrition. They are specially rich in protein with 6 grams packed into a single large egg. Plus, they contain a wealth of other vitamins and minerals necessary for growth, including vitamin D, which can increase calcium absorption to help maintain skeleton health. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries are all brimming with important nutrients. They are especially high in vitamin C, which promotes cell growth and tissue repair. Vitamin C also increases the synthesis of collagen, which is the most abundant protein in your body. Studies show that collagen can increase bone density and improve bone health, which could help you grow taller or maintain your height. Berries also offer a range of other vitamins and minerals, including fiber, vitamin K, and magnesium. Salmon is a fatty fish that's loaded with omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids are a type of heart healthy fat that's crucial to growth and development. Milk is often considered a key component of healthy, well-rounded diet. It can also help support growth by supplying several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Additionally, milk is rich in protein with nearly 8 grams of the nutrient in a single cup. Nutrition plays a central role in promoting proper growth and development. Filling your diet with a variety of nutritious ingredients can not only enhance overall health but also help you grow taller or maintain your height. Therefore, it's important to load up on wholesome, nutrient rich foods to ensure that you are getting the vitamins and minerals your body needs.